Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 73. Line A passes through the point -1, 2. Which of the following cannot be the equations of line A? So in this questions, remember cannot. Okay, cannot mean one of them is cannot, but three of them is the equations can be an equation of line A. Okay, so line A go through the point -1, 2. So it means, remember this is the ordered pair, so x comma y. Okay, so we have to plug in x equal -1 into each of the equations A, B, C, D here. And if the answer is 2, if y equal 2, right here, okay, then it is the point. It can be the line A can be that equations, okay, that line linear equations. But if it's not, then it's not. All right. So let's plug in. So we have here is y is equal to 1 minus x is minus x. Okay, I put x inside of the parenthesis. Okay, and then now plug in x equal -1. So plug x equal -1 in each choice A, B, C, and D. Okay, so -1. Now see that 1 minus -1. So that negative and negative right here. Okay, in front of the parenthesis is negative, so we change the sign or we distribute to make it positive. Okay, so we have 1 plus 1 that equal 2, and this one is equal the y value, that 2 right here. When x equal -1, you have y equal 2, so A is the right one. Okay, can be A can be the equation of line A. Now we try with B. Let's try with B. So we have x, we still do the parenthesis when you see x. Okay, we add 1, copy the rest, and then we plug in. Now x equal -1, plug inside the parenthesis. So you have -1, add 1. So remember, in front you don't see anything, it means positive. Okay, in front of the parenthesis is positive, it means you keep the same thing inside the parenthesis, don't change anything. So -1, you add 1, that is 0. So it's different from 2, because 2 is equal y, remember? It has to be equal 2 because that is the given. That is the given. But this one is not equal to. Okay, this one is not equal to. So this one is an x. Alright, so this should be the correct answer, but let's check the rest. Okay, so we have x equal -1. So what does this look like? If you don't know about how the linear graph look like, please checking the Math 1314 playlist. Okay, and then watch and take note week 6 linear graph, linear equations. That part will help you to answer these questions. All right, so x equal -1, this is the vertical line. How it look is look like this. Okay, so let's draw it. X equal -1, so here is the -1, so x equal -1 is the vertical line go through x equal -1. Okay, that vertical line. So if that vertical line, when x equal -1, y can be 2. Yeah, right here you have the point, so it belong. Okay, so this one we can say -1 comma 2 is on x equal minus 1. This is the vertical line. Okay, so we only have one value of x equal -1, but you have multiple value of y, okay, with the same value of x. See that? So 2 is one of the value. Okay, so this one is another check, can be the equation of line A. Now let's to the last one. Okay, we have x, so open parenthesis, and then we have at. This one led to imply. Because it's not equal, since you have like still x there. Okay, so imply. Plug 3 right here, that equal. So plug x in here is -1. Okay. Plus 3, so just like above, we have -1. Open the parenthesis because in front of the parenthesis is the positive. Or in this case, we don't see the positive, right? But we know in front of it, you see nothing mean positive. Okay, at 3, that 3 minus 1, that is 2. And this is equal y. Okay, this is 2. So this is correct as well. So the only one cannot be the equation of line A, which is choice B. So choice B is the correct answer. And if you want to see like how the graph look like, I will graph it for you, okay? So right here you see that you have the linear equations is y equal mx plus b. So b m right here is the slope, and then b right here is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 0, comma y-intercept, okay, when x equals 0. So right here for a, okay, you have y equal -x. I have to rewrite it into the form, okay, at 1. So you see right here, negative here mean -1. So m equal -1. And then right here is y-intercept is 0, comma 1, okay. So -1, I can rewrite it -1 over 1, okay. And then the point 0, 1, I have to find it. 0 is x value, 1 right here, okay. And then we have to go down 1 unit, okay, then go right, go down 1 unit, then go right 1 unit. So this is a point, and then the graph look like this. See, it's go touch that. So this is the line A, okay, it's for choice A. Now I already do C, right? X equal, this is x equal -1. Okay, this is choice C. Okay, now let's do choice D here. So we have right here is m equal 1. Okay, and then the y-intercept is 0, 3. So we have go up here 1, okay, that is 3. Now go down 1, go left 1, which is this point. Well, continue to graph it. This is choice D. Okay, and how about B? Okay, let's draw B to see if it's not crossed at all. So the point we looking at is the -1, 2, which is the red point right there, right? So which line is not line on that, go through that point or pass through that point, okay? So we have A, C, and D go like pass through the points, -1, 2. So B, let's draw B to see why is not the correct answer, okay? So we have right here is m still equal 1. And then right here, the y-intercept is 0, 1. Okay, so 0, 1, 0, 1 still right here. And then we have to go up 1 and then go right 1 like that. And then we just kind of drawing like this. Okay, and the thing is B and D is parallel. Okay, so we learned about parallel in this part right here. We have the same slope but different y-intercept. Okay, parallel perpendiculars in week 6 part 2. Making sure if you don't know about that, watch it and take note. For the linear graph, how to graph it, how many form of linear equation you will need to know is all in week 6 part 1. Hopefully this video is helped you to understand this problem, and also you will working on this problem fast, spend less time on it, but accuracy. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.